This is a daily routine for an advanced English level. Professor Walid, a professor of English as a foreign language and an experienced English translator, follows a well-structured daily routine to maintain his language proficiency. He starts his day waking up at 4 a.m. sharp every day. This early rising enables him to engage in solitary activities such as meditation, praying, journaling, and reading, which contribute to his mental and emotional well-being. Immediately after his morning routine, Professor Walid engages in a physical workout session. He believes that exercise is crucial in promoting physical health and also enhances cognitive functioning, which is vital for his demanding job as an English translator and instructor. By 6 a.m., Professor Walid has already completed his exercise routine and is ready to start his language studies. He dedicates an hour to reviewing English grammar and vocabulary. He uses various materials such as textbooks, online sources, and English language podcasts to further reinforce his language knowledge. At 7 a.m., Professor Walid takes a break and has breakfast. He ensures that his diet is balanced, fueling his body with the necessary nutrients required for the day's activities. At 8 a.m., Professor Walid resumes his language studies by practicing speaking and listening exercises. He engages in conversation with native speakers through video conferencing and language exchange programs. This provides him with a platform to practice his language skills and also exposes him to different accents and dialects of the English language. By 11 a.m., Professor Walid is ready to commence his work as an English translator. In the evening, Professor Walid engages in social activities such as reading English literature, watching English language movies, and participating in English language forums. This helps him to keep up with contemporary usage of the language and to further reinforce his language skills. Finally, retiring to bed, Professor Walid spends time reflecting on his day and sets up goals for the following day. Professor Walid's daily routine is a testament to the importance of discipline and dedication in language learning. His structured routine, which includes physical exercise, solitary activities, language studies, work, and social activities, ensures that he remains a competent and advanced English professor. Thank you very much.